Hello, in this YCharts 101 video, we'll be showing you how to use the revamped technical chart tool. You can access technical charts from the Tools dropdown and click Technical Chart. The page will preload some of the most commonly used technical indicators, including volume, relative strength index, as well as simple moving averages. To see technical charts in action, simply pick any security within the YCharts universe and type it in at the top. Let's use NVIDIA as an example. With one click, you will be presented with a line, bar, or candlestick chart for that security, as well as any technical indicators you have selected. To adjust the date range, simply select a time frame or input a start and end date of your choosing. You can also toggle between chart style as well as frequency down here in the left. Lastly, you can add additional overlays or oscillators to your chart, either by searching directly or browsing from our library. YCharts has over 25 technical indicators to choose from, and it's easy to toggle indicators on or off here on the sidebar. YCharts' technical charts tool is at your disposal to assist with your technical analysis and make smarter investing decisions. If you have any questions about technical charts, please reach out to your support contact for personalized assistance.